Hello class, welcome to Miss Carlson's 7th grade world history class. This is going to be our classroom website and I will be teaching you guys how to kind of maneuver around it, all right? So once you're on to the class website, this is going to be our home page. This is just going to give you a little bit of introduction about what the class is going to be. Over here we have the Meet the Teacher, a little bit about me, and then over here is going to be our unit assignments. So if you're on the home screen and let's say you miss class for the day, you're going to go on to Unit 1. And right over here is going to be the lessons we do day for day. So first, why don't you go and you can click in guided notes right over here and it will take you to the guided notes section. Or you can come right over here and click this button right here and it will take you to your guided notes. So once you have your guided notes ready, there's going to be a lesson PowerPoint right over here. It's going to be a video, so just take some guided notes while you're watching the video if you miss class or if you need to go back and see what you missed for the day. Right over here you can also download the Google Slides that we did for this lesson. And then afterwards, it's going to ask you to complete a Google form, and you can either receive the Google form by clicking the link right here, or you can go right down here and just click this right here, and it will take you to the Google form to complete. So we will be doing this for each lesson for each day. And then also, if you come over here, there is going to be additional resources for the whole unit too.